How to fix character AI not loading. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix character AI when the app is not loading. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you need to do is to just open up your settings. And then once you're in your settings, just go to General right here and then scroll down until you see Storage. So just click on Storage right here. And then after that, what you want to do is to just search for the Character AI app. So once you've found the Character AI app, just click on it. And then after that, the first thing that you can do is to offload the app. So basically what offloading the app does, this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So you can do that, so just offload the app and then just reinstall it again. But if that doesn't work, you can also delete the app. So just click on Delete the app and then the app will be deleted. And then after that, just open up the App Store and then just search up for Character AI and then just reinstall it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Character AI when it's not loading. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.